Bless up all Massive and crew. This is Miss Finesse with Jeunesse Global. How y'all doing today? It's a beautiful day, giving thanks for being alive. And you know, it's a world full of opportunities. You can always turn tragedy into triumph. You're always gonna have obstacles that come in your way. And you have a choice to have a positive attitude and face it as it comes, or you can have a negative attitude and make it worse. So, on a positive note, click the link below this video. It's a video from Mark Smith with Team Freedom. He has a very good way of how he breaks everything down, not just the Jeunesse opportunity, but the advantages of joining Team Freedom when you're in Jeunesse in order to learn how to promote this business. So, link just down below this video goes to that video. And remember, I'm giving away free samples of Instantly Ageless to the end of June 2020. There's another link under this video to get the free sample of the month. Make sure you do that. Check out the video, get your free sample, and I'll see you on the inside. One love.